Big update coming in on the Vishwa Bharati University centenary celebrations, where the Prime Minister will be speaking in about 30 minutes from now. Sources reveal that as per protocol, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was also invited. There has, however, been no reply from her office till now. Seems to suggest that Mamata Banerjee will not be a part of the centenary celebrations. As is the protocol, an invite was given to her, an invite has been given to the governor. The governor's already accepted. There's been no word from the CMO yet. Manogya Loiwal is joining us with more details on this. Manogya, any clarity on whether Mamata Banerjee is going to be there? Because it will mean that she and Prime Minister Modi then are at the same platform at the same event.
Well, yes, and that is not happening in all probability, because there hasn't been any reply from the Chief Minister's office on whether she would be participating in the centenary celebrations happening today, which will also be attended by the Chancellor of the university, that's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Remember, Vishwa Bharati University is one of those handful universities across the country where the Chancellor is not the President of India but the Prime Minister of India. And today, as the Chancellor addresses the university that is spread across 1,100 acres of area, that will itself give you an idea on how big the campus is. Nothing less than a mega city that you would ever see in most of the places. The open campus has a unique characteristic of being 100 years old, of being historic, a heritage, yet very, very modern with the state-of-art technology and training some of the best artists across the world. But today, the address would be not only to the youth but also to the artists, as well as the cultural route that the party has been trying to take, and Prime Minister's address would be playing an extremely crucial role in it. Prior to this, he's addressed in AMU, in JNU, but this would be different. One, because it is in Bengal. Second, because it is of historical importance with a Nobel laureate like Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore.
That's right, and we'll be tracking the latest updates, but looks at this point like Mamata Banerjee will not be a part of the centenary celebrations of Vishwa Bharati University. Manogya, thank you for joining us this morning.